Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add pie chart with multiple data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to make the pie chart with multiple data, select multiple data. Click and drag on your mouse, then we go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart drop down menu, go to the all chart option. Now I am select the pie chart option and select the pie chart. We can see, click this OK option. Now we can see here we make the pie chart multiple data easily. Now I am select the chart and go to the chart design menu. We can see here many format of the chart. You can change the style of the chart. Otherwise you can change the color. Select this color drop down menu and change the color of the chart. Now I am select this color. Now I am rename the chart title. Click inside the chart title and rename this. Now we can see we add pie chart with multiple data very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.